Alright, it's been a while, but we're going to try and give you a little update on the overheating disco. So we don't think the head gasket's bad, but the previous owner said it was diagnosed with a bad water pump and thermostat. So that's what we're going to do today. I'm going to do the thermostat first, and then probably move on to the water pump. I'm going to disassemble a lot of the cooling components here, take the belt off, take the viscous fan off. Probably won't all be done in one day. I don't have the right wrench for the viscous fan, but we're probably going to do the thermostat right now and see how it goes. I couldn't find a video on this on YouTube, so at least for the thermostat, so this might be the first. Alright, time to make a mess. Alright, that wasn't too bad. Alright, original bolts are out. It's starting to drip here a little bit. I'm sure this mess is going to get a little bigger, but I'm going to go ahead and pull it off. Alright. So there's the old hose mount. That's off, and as you can see, the thermostat's in here pretty good. I'm going to have to cut this off and pull it out and check back when it's out. Oh yeah, we're making a mess now. Sorry for the shoddy camera work. My hands are pretty much full of coolant right now. We're gonna let that drain naturally and then go ahead and slap it. Alright, so we got the new thermostat in there. Old one seemed fine. We're just gonna go ahead and bolt everything back up, honestly. Cleaned off the machine surface a little bit. Probably gonna clean this off a little better. And then bolt everything back together. This is pretty gross too. We're gonna go ahead and clean that as well. Alright, got this all cleaned up. Going to shove it back in now. All right, and that's all she is. We're gonna fire it up and probably add some more coolant to replace what we lost, and then on to the next thing. After that, we'll probably be doing the water pump. Got all the parts we need over there, but that'll probably be for another day. All right. Wrong key. All right. Yeah. But yeah, this thing fires right up. No, it's pretty amazing. Everything that works on this Rover, radio, AC, everything else. So we're gonna check this for leaks, and then probably come back sometime later on this week and pull that water pump off and go from there. You know, it's when you're diagnosing something, you know, you want to eliminate everything one thing at a time. You don't want to jump the gun on too many parts at once before you really figure out what's going on. So that's kind of how we're going to handle this. But yeah, feel free to subscribe and follow along as we keep messing with the 97 Disco.